Hi, my name is Scott Truesdale with the Bricktown MarineMax here in New Jersey. I'm here to show you a 2017 310 SLX by Sea Ray. This boat was traded in to us by one of our clients who decided to upgrade this year. Welcome aboard. Here we have a nice sized swim platform with the sea deck matting. The sea deck matting is also an option that went into our head, which I'll show you later. Out on the aft here we have a nice large sunpad, and it also has an area here that pulls up for a backrest if you'd like to sit at dock and face aft. This ratchets back and folds away. Through here to the companionway, we come on in. We see there's a very large spacious area here for seating. Sits about a dozen people. This passenger seat also swivels aft and faces to create more of a social atmosphere. Moving forward, very large enclosed head area, vacuum flush head system, running water with stainless sink. At our helm, you'll notice that this boat has a joystick setup. The joystick setup is a proprietary system from Mercury called Axios, where if you actuate your joystick, you can move the boat in primarily any direction. You could crab it sideways, you could spin it by spinning the top of this joystick, move it forward or aft. The levers are digital throttle and shift, which means there's no cables attached to these, so you always have a nice even resistance on these levers. This year the boat was introduced with a touch screen that also can actuate anything on the boat. There are switches here, which are your most critical switches are on the panel, but these switches are also accessible through the screen. Moving forward here to the bow, you'll notice that there's an enormous amount of seating for this size boat. What Sea Ray was able to do is they were able to keep the bow wide enough at the deck area for the seating, but they still maintained a very sporty profile, the SLX profile, which Sea Ray is known for. You'll notice that in the cockpit area of this boat, with all the seating, there's also included a workstation area, which is solid surface countertop below, which has storage and acts as a wet bar with your running water here. Below, this boat has a refrigerator freezer option, a snap-in carpet, the one-piece hardtop, and this one-piece hardtop also has an extending electric sunshade. If you have any further interest in this boat or any of our other boats, please don't hesitate to give us a call here in Brick. My name is Scott Truesdale. Phone number 732-604-2752. Thank you for viewing this presentation.